Just for proof that it's a VZ running an E40 ECU. This is the outside of the vehicle. VZ taillights, VZ Club Sport wheels, VZ interior, and because it's a turbo vehicle, the ECU has been relocated to the eventually it'll be in the footwell here. Original factory E40 ECU. Because this is a turbo vehicle and this is a bit of a test platform at the moment, with sort of a bit of custom wiring. Eventually this harness will be pulled off, and then it'll be all fully cleaned up and made as a full plug and play install. Yeah, E40, 3 plugs as expected. Some old wiring that used to go to the old gear shift indicator for the TCS controller on the dash there, but now it all works directly in the factory instrument cluster. Let's just turn the light on. No error codes. Obviously it's stationary at the moment, but it's reverse, neutral, drive, and then we've got tap shift mode, which allows you to hit the paddles to change gear. You can go down to gear obviously as well, and that's actually allowed to happen while it's in drive as well as when it's in the position 3. Position 3 will make it fully manualised for, you know, as if you're just driving it and not having the car auto shift on you. Okay, just taking off down the road, just light sort of throttle just to go through the gears. Second, third, fourth, fifth gear, cruise control's on, disengages on the brake. Okay, to demonstrate the tap shift mode, vehicle's still in drive position. If I go to the pedal on the left hand side, that's an upshift, so if I press the button it won't do anything because it's in stationary position, so there's a minimum speed for that to work. So I get above about 5 k's an hour anyway, and then you hit the button, now we're already in 3rd gear. And it disengages automatically after a period of time when it's not in use again. If I touch it again, it activates, so we're in 3rd. Go down a gear. Manual 4th again, 5th gear. And we've got to be above a certain speed to enable 6th gear. Okay, shifter is now in position 3. This activates full manual control of the gearbox. As you can see, not moving. And I can go to 1st gear start, I can go to 2nd gear start, or I can go to 3rd gear start. So I'll release the brake and then just roll on. It's already staying in 3rd gear. And then you can hold the gear out as long as you want, or you can manually shift again. So depending what's set up in the transmission tune, you can basically prevent upshifts from being either too early, and as you start to brake, gearbox will downshift automatically by itself. Come to a stop, so it goes to 3, and eventually go to 2nd gear, allowing a 2nd gear takeoff. Just to demonstrate the downshift capabilities, doesn't have the full-on rev matching. There's the later E38s, but it does allow a nicer shift when you're going off the throttle and then down a gear. So decelerating, commanded a downshift, engine braking still, and then another 2nd gear downshift. Just to add on, traction control still works as per factory. Pressing the button in the center of the console turns the traction control on and off again.